Hello, I'm Eric with Corghi. Today we're going to go on ahead and do an arm calibration, which is your internal arm on an EM9280 balancer. To do this, keep in mind that this is not a typical calibration that should ever be completed on your balancer unless somebody from our service department or your technician has recommended you do this. I would not recommend to complete this. When you do this calibration, it does wipe the memory for both your hub calibration and your spin cal. So again, don't do this unless you're directed to do so. To start, obviously the machine is on. There is no wheel mounted. The controls here, you've got your left and right controls. We're going to go to the box with a pointer. We're going to press enter. On the right side, we have the red gear with a box with a little blue check mark in it. We're going to press enter there. On the lower right side, we're going to have this up and down yellow arrow with 3 icons. This shows that there's more icons available. So we're going to press enter. We're going to scroll up to the left to the wrench and screwdriver. We're going to press enter. Okay. Once you get to this screen here, you're going to have a lot of different bits of information. If you look to the top right here, about mid-center, you're going to find this number called encoder position. If you rotate the spindle or this hub assembly here, you'll see this number go up or down and restart depending on which way you rotate it. We're going to look for 200. So we're going to get down to 200 here. There we go, and it's very sensitive. So at this point, we're going to press the red stop key one time. That's going to engage the brake and hold it there. Then we're going to press and hold the enter key. At this point, it gives you some instructions. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this arm, and if you see here, it has this center point to the center of the hub flange. So we're going to take this, move it out, and just lay it against the hub, and just hold it there. And as the instructions state, we're going to press the enter key one time. And now if you notice, it's on the front of this flange. So we're going to take this, move it down, and just let it rest against the flange. We're going to press enter again. It says OK, and it will back out here in a moment. Back to the home position. And now the internal arm is calibrated. Keep in mind that once your arm has been recalibrated, you will have to go through and recalibrate the spindle. We're going to go on ahead and press escape, which is a far left button, looks like an arrow pointing to a door. And we get our E1 code. This means that it has no sensitivity calibration. So you have to go on ahead and run through both your regular spin or sensitivity calibration and then your zero hub.